Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show us how we can get our NIN slip or ID card soft copy. Just follow this simple step and you'll be able to do it by yourself. Alright, the first thing you need to do, you go to your Google Chrome and you search for check my NIN. You can see as I'm tapping, you can see that the link is already out, so let me just tap on it. But the full link is checkmyninbvn.com.ng. So let's click on that. Now I've clicked on it. So if you're a first time user, you have to click on this to create one here. Okay, let me click on that. And once you do that, you have to fill all these columns. Once you click on all these columns, then you click on I accept the terms and conditions and finally click on create account. But if you want to return back to the sign in page, you can click here if you already have an account. So that is it for that. Let me click on the sign in here. I already have an account, so let me log into my account. Here my account is opened. So let me take you around the app first before we proceed to do anything we want to do. You can see this is my account balance here. When you want to get the slip, there's an amount you have to pay to get that, but it's still far cheaper compared to when you want to do this in a cyber cafe. So that is it. Here your balance is reflecting, and if you want to add funds, you can see add funds to your wallet here. Okay, you can also click here to join your WhatsApp community, and you can also register a business with CAC using this very platform. All right, so now let's proceed to other things. Now let me do a walkthrough. You can see here print. Here it says print NIN slips, and if you want to print your NIN slips, while here you want to retrieve NIN with your phone number. Maybe you cannot remember your NIN, but you know the phone number which was registered with the NIN, so you can actually use here, get it through this means. Here, if you want to do NIN validation, there you can get it. IP clearance, you can also get it done here. Okay, as we move downward, here you can also do BVN registration and checkup here, or BVN retrieval with phone number here. So you can see CAC registration, and this site can also be attached to another website. Maybe you just create a website and you want a system that you can use to where people can verify their NIN or BVN. So this here, which is the API, the application programming interface, is that section where you can attach this website to your own for verification purposes. So let's click on print NIN here. Now it is open, so the first thing you need to do is to click on this place to select the type of card that you want, and then here the preview will appear here, while on this very column here you will input your NIN number. So let's do that. So we have different types of NIN slips. Let's start with the premium. Okay, let's start with the premium. Look at the premium here. So here you see a preview of how the premium looks, and this premium you'll be charged 450 naira for it. This is the regular slips. You can see a sample here, and this is the standard slip. It's also an ID card, but not really colored ID card. So once you do that, you get a sample here, and then you can input your NIN number here to get it. And once you input the NIN number, you have to click on this I confirm, and then click finally on this verify NIN now. So you will get your NIN new slips. Please don't be in a hurry when doing this to avoid doing it over and over again. And if you want to see your profile, maybe you want to edit one or two, you can click on this place. Let me click on it now. This is your profile. You can see my profile here. See my balance. If you want to change password, you can actually do that. Alright, yeah, so you can do that here. Then if you click on this here, you also get other options. Yeah, those options listed there before, you can get them here also. So that is it for that. This is how I get my NIN slip anytime. You can first start the business by using this platform also. Do not forget, it is checkmyninbvn.com.ng. So thank you for watching, and please ensure you follow me and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop any new video. Thank you. See you in my next class.